HTML colors chapter. In this chapter, we have to take all information regarding colors, and using style tag, we will add some of the colors to our heading, paragraph. Okay, so here I will explain. HTML colors are specified with predefined color names, right? Predefined color names. HTML colors are specified with predefined color names. Predefined color names. So there are some of the predefined color names to your color. For example, RGB. RGB. What is RGB? Hex. I will explain later. RGB, HEX, HSL, RGBA, HSLA. Right. These are the some of the predefined color names. Right. Using these predefined color names, you can give the name to your colors. I will take here the example related to that. Okay. I will add simple HTML document here. HTML. I will take directly body. In body, I will add H1 heading, and I will give the color of that tomato color. Tomato. So I will give inline. Already I have explained in my one of the video how to add inline CSS. So using inline CSS, I will give color to my heading. So I have to add tomato color. So first I will give you background color tomato. Okay. Now I will run, and here you can see the tomato color is gone. So how this work, this is very important. Okay, now I will add another h1 tag. In that I have to add orange. Which color? Orange color. So give inline CSS through style tag, add background color to orange. Right, now you will run this code. Now you can see orange color come in the background. Okay, I will add another h1, and here I will give name Doger blue. Doger blue. I will give inline CSS, give background color Doger blue, and run the code. You will see Doger blue color in the background. Medium sea green. Medium sea green. add inline css, background color to medium sea green. Here you can see medium 3. If you will run, you can see same color is coming. So now I have to add a gray color to heading. So which color? Gray. Background color gray. Here you can see gray color is coming. So right, add more colors. For example, you have to add slate blue, slate blue, add slate blue color using style tag, slate background color, slate blue. Here you can see slate blue color is come. Add some more headings. Violet, violet, violet color, style background color, add violet. Now see the changes. Violet color is come. And in last I will take light gray, light gray color, add inline css, give background color, give value light. Here you can see light gray, and you can see. So in this type you can add whatever. There are so many color present, whichever you like or whichever is requirement for your web page or your software, you can use it. So this is enough for this chapter.